how to hide apps on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So in today's video, I'll show you how you can hide your apps and protect your privacy on your iPhone. So first things first, just press and hold the app that you want to hide, and then you can see require face ID option, and then you can see hide and require face ID. Just tap on it. It will scan your face ID, and now this will pop up. Just tap on hide app, and then as you can see, the Netflix has been hidden. Now to view it, just swipe to the left until you reach your app library, and then just scroll down to the bottom and tap on hidden. And there you go. There is your app that you have hidden. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.